Can I ask you a few questions? Are you frustrated because you want to overcome type 2 diabetes, but you haven't been able to make much progress? Do you want to be able to prevent getting type 2 diabetes? Are you struggling with the complications of diabetes, such as heart disease, strokes, blindness, kidney dialysis and transplantation, amputations, and even early death? Have you ever felt you would like to stop taking all those expensive, toxic medications? Or perhaps you would just like to permanently reverse type 2 diabetes? Then you are going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. More importantly, you need to take action. Take the next step and enter your name and email address and click the button below to get the resources to prevent and reverse type 2 diabetes. My name is Dr. Ralph Harris, and I'm a kidney specialist and have had a long research interest in type 2 diabetes. Then in 2006, I was asked to head up a team of experts to conduct a demonstration research project in the Marshall Islands in the South Pacific. It was to show that we could prevent and reverse diabetes simply by helping them to change their lifestyle habits. And we wanted to show that it could be done without expensive toxic medications or complicated surgical procedures. Those kind, gentle people had the highest prevalence of diabetes anywhere on the planet. 30% and even higher as they grew older. Their hospital had been filled almost entirely with patients suffering and dying from the complications of the disease. They were desperate to try just about anything. Well, we got started, and within just a few months, even we were shocked by the results. We saw dramatic results in most of the patients. They had significant improvements in their high blood sugar levels. Their blood pressure levels came down. Their body weights returned toward normal. Their blood cholesterol levels improved. They were able to reduce and even stop their medications. They were able to avoid hospital admissions for infection, surgery, and the complications of diabetes. They started living happy, healthy lives. Do you want to learn more about the studies from the people themselves? I'll follow the links at the end of this presentation. Now, if you ever feel that you want to stop taking all those expensive toxic medications, and you want more energy and be able to do the things you used to do, but you don't seem to make any progress to succeed with what you are trying, well, I can relate to you. You see, I am at risk too. I too am from a family with similar medical problems. My mother died at the early age of 66 after many years of struggling with several health problems, such as you have. My youngest brother was only 45 when he was found cold and unresponsive in bed one morning from a fatal heart attack. He died leaving his wife with several small children. Now, he was overweight. He had high blood pressure, struggled with excessive alcohol drinking, and he smoked like a chimney. But it was said that he lived life to the full. But he died young. because he did not look after his health. And then there was my other brother, 3 years younger than I was. He died at about 60 years of age after sustaining a massive stroke while attending our father's funeral, and died soon after. He too was overweight. He loved to eat fatty foods and drank too much. He too ignored his health problems. He lived it up and ended up dying too soon. Now, why did all this happen? Because to start off with, we all had the same risk factors. We had a strong family history of hypertension and other risk factors for diabetes and its related disorders, like problems with our weight. But the sad thing is, those were almost all factors that we could have controlled and treat, and even avoid by making simple changes in our lifestyle. The important thing is to be aware of is that it can happen to any one of us. And now I am on a mission to help spread the word and alert others to the need to know exactly how to prevent type 2 diabetes. I want to share some of what I have learned from our experience and what I am trying to do in my life to avoid these problems in future. So, this is what I've decided to do. We have formed a group of experts to address the underlying problems of this disease. And then we sat down and put together an incredible training program, 6 to 9 months long, for people like you who are at risk for developing type 2 diabetes. Please sign up and get started. There is no time to lose. I believe we can prevent the disease in people who have those risk factors. We can treat and manage the disease if it is mild to moderate. And for those who have advanced diabetes, even with complications, I know we can improve their symptoms and reduce their medications, improve their quality of life, and even extend it. And for many, we will be able to actually reverse the disease. We call it the Diabetes Prevention and Reversal Program. Sign up and get the information and get started. Now, I want to warn you and make it clear this is not a magic potion, wonder drug, overnight, a snake oil cure. It's going to take 6 to 9 long months of hard work. It requires serious commitment. It demands a change in lifestyle, such as a nutritional diet and physical exercise. It includes a willingness to be educated and an understanding of the risk factors involved. Again, above all, it requires motivation. Anyone who is accepted into the program must be willing to learn and understand diabetes, its causes and mechanisms of development, and what it takes to stop and reverse the disease. Remember, we require commitment and motivation. If you sign up and meet the criteria, you will be required to continue with additional educational resources. Your application will be carefully considered, and you will be enrolled in the special private group. Go ahead and take the first step below. Put in your name and address now. Oh, if you wish to learn more about the Diabetes Intervention Program in the Marshall Islands, use this link, http://vibranthealthtoday.info/diabetes intervention in the Marshall Islands. It will inspire you. Welcome and congratulations. Years to your long and healthy life, free from diabetes. See you on the inside. But you must take the first step. Sign up now.